Welcome to the SwellChat tutorial on enabling waiting room SMS and email notifications. Once enabled, the host will be able to receive notifications when a meeting attendee arrives in the waiting room. In this video, we'll show you how to set up these notifications, ensuring that you never miss another meeting. Let's get started. First, log into your SwellChat account. Once logged in, look for the top right drop-down menu and select Settings. Within the Settings menu, navigate to Personal Settings and then go to Profile Settings. In the Profile Settings section, you'll find Waiting Room Notifications. This is where you can activate SMS and/or email notifications. If you'd like to receive email notifications, simply slide the toggle to Active. If you'd like to receive SMS notifications, make sure to include the desired mobile phone number and check the opt-in checkbox. This will allow us to send you waiting room notifications via SMS. Don't forget to save your changes. Just click Update Profile to apply the settings. And that's it. You've successfully enabled SMS and email notifications for your SwellChat meeting. With these notifications activated, you'll receive an SMS and/or email alert whenever an attendee arrives in the meeting waiting room. We hope this feature enhances your meeting experience and keeps you connected. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and happy conferencing from SwellChat. Have a swell day. Thanks.